बैठे बैठे शाम किया चन्ना मेरे आ। हाय एवरीबॉडी, आ जाओ। काफ़ी टाइम से लाइव नहीं किया, मैंने सोचा शॉर्ट, रियली शॉर्ट, वेरी 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 शॉर्ट लाइव करते हैं। मेरे जैसे इमेजिन सिर्फ 3 ही रोज़े रह गए हैं। इट्स अमेजिंग हाउ फास्ट दिस मंथ इज़ गॉन। इट्स अमेजिंग हाउ अमेजिंग एंड ब्यूटिफुल रमदान वॉज। 3 more days guys, just pray as much as you can. Last 4 rosas is what I'm going to miss because of girl problems. Not problems, but you know what I mean. So yeah, but I've kept 26 rosas, mashallah. I've been so fortunate. Thank you Allah. I completed my Quran, I completed everything. I've learned a new surah and I'm so excited. So yeah, how is it going with all of you? कैसे चल रहा है सब लोग? Please मुझे दुआ में याद रखना. It's very important. I need all the prayers possible. I'm sure the world needs it. I'm also praying for everybody. Do not worry. Yeah, let's take a few questions. कैसे जा रहा है आपका रोज़ा? बहुत ही amazing. Thank you. I've just finished my workout. And that is why, hi Neelu, I miss you so much. I miss my friends so much. So yeah, and I miss my Nix too. That's why I'm always having my vitamin C in her cup. Love your Sehri cooking videos. Thank you so much. Delightfully chaotic AC. Yeah, so if you haven't watched it yet, my YouTube channel has new videos up, so you can watch it. It's quite nothing like a creative video, but it's just me talking as usual. I love to talk and also cooking a little bit, so go check it out and do subscribe. Do not forget. Someone says Khan Saab, hi. So I just finished my workout. I'm having my vitamin C. And do you have any questions, guys? Because I know I'm saying hi to everybody already. Hello. कोई questions हैं? आपका कैसा जा रहा है लॉकडाउन? अब तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि क्या नॉर्मली हो गया है सब. It's like I don't know. Is anyone feeling like this is normal? I don't know. I'm finding suddenly I'm in a phase where I'm finding everything normal. अजीब लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा अजीब लग रहा है. बट मैं दुआ कर रही हूँ कि प्लीज़ जा करो ना, जा. एक्चुअली वो गाना होना चाहिए था, करो ना जा. आई डोंट नो मेरे सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर को क्या हो गया है आजकल. Thank you very much. Someone says I'm a very nice person. Thank you. When am I getting married? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. That's a question that I just cannot answer anymore. Lockdown. Hi, I just saw Aneri. Aneri is here? Where's Aneri? I couldn't see. Kunal's also here. Hi, Kunal. Thank you. Where's Aneri? I can't see Aneri. So ask me any questions, guys, if you have any. Don't worry, you're very cute. It says Warrior Princess. Thank you. I'm just being so silly. I'm being so silly. Forgive me if you guys are not getting my stupid jokes, but you know what I mean. Hi Aisha, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Hi, this is so funny. There's not funny, but it's such a coincidence. A girl named Rupin Pava, and I have a friend called Rupin Pava, who's also a fabulous singer and an artist himself. So hi, how are you? We have English version of Go Corona Go, which is Hindi version, which is Kabutar ja Kabutar. You know what I mean? Why am I saying you know what I mean so many times? God, guys, I can just talk so much. Hi Aniri, how are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm just hanging in there. Um, Nihar Saraswat says, liked your torso workout video. Thank you very much. I'm glad you liked it. Um, Hi, how are you doing? My first time talking to you. I live in Texas, my city. How are you doing? COVID-19 about safety measures also. Johnson. Hi, Johnson. Safety measures, like I think it's carved into gold with gold in all of our minds now, which is sanitizers, wash your hands 24/7, wear a mask if you're going out, don't touch surfaces that are open to public, and just take care of your basic hygiene and keep your immunity high. Keep your immunity high. I'm having my vitamin C. Please do have vitamin C as much as you can. Eat home, don't order from outside. It's very dangerous. I don't even know. Today I was in Lokhandwala, and I was passing by Starbucks, and I saw long queue waiting to take their orders, and I was just feeling so scared for them, and I'm like, please Allah, I know it's all in your hands, just be careful. But still, why aren't people like scared to order from outside? I'm very scared. I haven't ordered anything in the last 2.5 months now. Just be careful, guys. Just be careful. Is really low, so I'll have to hang up soon. I'm from Pakistan. Hi, everybody. Veronica, hi. Just hi. Oh, it's a fake account, Rupin, is it? Hi, Rupin is here, by the way. Everyone go follow Rupin. He's fantastic. He sings so beautifully, and he's a dear friend of mine. So yeah, he may also sing Yellow, which is my favorite song. Why are you sounding low? I don't know. I'm feeling low, Nidu. I'm feeling today's been a little day. So yeah, that's why I've come live, just to make myself feel better and hopefully make others feel better. How was your day? I just answered that. How will you celebrate Eid? Firdaus asked. I'll just be home, I'll spend it with my mom, I'll thank Allah for another beautiful year of Ramadan and His blessings, and I will cook food. I'm making biryani and shirkurma, just by the way. And yeah, I'm just trying, we'll just, obviously not for a lot of people, it's just going to be mom, myself, and my house help, because you're not going to get any guests at home, you won't be able to send food anywhere. So just be humble about it. There are so many people who are not going to get food maybe are not getting food outside. So help as many people as you can, and that's how I'm going to celebrate my Eid. So yeah. Yeah, Ane, that's true. I'm missing all of you so much. God, I miss hugging someone. I just miss hugging someone. Like I want to hug my friends. I just want to. I'm sorry. This is like so emotional. Oh God. I don't know, is anyone feeling like I'm feeling? It's just like, world has become so virtual. It's just like out there, right? I don't know the last time I hugged someone. I hugged my mom, and of course I have her, and I'm so grateful for that. But just meeting my friends and being able to go to each other's house, and it's just, I hope you have friends who are close by. I hope that someone's taking care of you. I hope there's nobody alone in this time, because it's so difficult. It's so difficult. So just hang in there. Sorry, I didn't mean to like get all emotional. Okay. Have you had your dinner? Yeah, I have my dinner at iftar itself at like 7 o'clock. So I don't eat anything after that. I think I hugged Neelu the last was on Shaju's birthday, which was 20th March. And we're almost at, oh my God. Even even Shaju's calling me on the other line. Shaju, I am on live. Hold on. Neelu, please tell Shaju I'll call him back. Mashallah, what a long life. He's calling me. Neelu, tell him. I haven't in 6 months. I know, right? Aneri, come back soon. You have to hug me. No, don't come back. Make a life. Go make a career. Get rich. Do whatever you want. I'll come to London. Don't worry. I'm coming to Manchester. Hi, Shaj. Why are you calling me if you're online? Wait, I'll call you back. You wanna come on my live or what? Just come on my live then. Oh, I know, right, Shaj? You wanna come on my live? Let's talk about it. Chal. I'm going to get on my live. Aja. Try to come on my live so we can talk about it. Someone's asking backside, what is that? These are just frames. These are just, those Rajasthani dwar kind of frames. How's Papa? Nimbles, you always ask me that. वाह 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 वाह.
मैं तो जा रहा था गाड़ी में बैठने.
I swear, yaar.
You needed a hug.
Now don't make me cry.
Okay, I was calling you to say don't cry.
And now you're making me cry.
I was telling Neelu today.
Yeah.
इस साल एक भी नहीं मिला हमें खानदान का ट्रीट.
I swear. So everybody, this is Shaju. This is family. So that's why we're just venting right now.
Oh, I've gone live on your Insta.
Yeah, you're on my live.
I thought it's only me one-on-one with you.
No, you're on my live. We're being watched by 1,400 people.
Okay. Hello. Okay, bye. I'm going off video.
No, you're amazing. But I can't believe your birthday was the last day I saw you. And today is exactly 2 months.
Yeah. So last night I put it up saying 20th March to 20th May we've survived.
I swear.
And we will survive.
Yeah, inshallah. I hope to see you soon though.
Yeah. मैं जा रहा था गाड़ी में बैठने. I'm coming to the gate.
डंडे आएंगे.
Don't worry, girl. We'll get over it. We've come so far.
We'll be fine. You'll be fine. All of us will be fine. You just hang in there. You stay strong as well.
I'm talking to my coconut tree every day in the morning. That's my only work.
Hi. He was saying hi to you.
We got to keep sane, right? So that's what we're doing.
I know. Lots of love, Shaj.
You take care, Baba. Love to mom. And listen, 4 days to go. Eid is here.
Eid is here and also Asad Bhai's birthday on 24th.
Oh, so it's a double treat. So we all need to wait for the biryani.
And do you know even Jhalak Dikhla Ja finale was on biryani.
नीलू कुछ बोल रही है. क्या बोल रही है?
I'm making.
अच्छा, नीलू saying कि we need biryani shirkurma.
I know, I'm making Ajo somehow.
We'll figure out safety regulation.
Get a permit.
Stay at home, stay safe.
Bye.
Bye, Baba. See you.
God, I got so emotional seeing my close ones. Sorry about that breakdown, guys. But yeah, let's just take a few questions in case you guys have. Everyone saying stay safe. Strong lady, thank you very much. I love you, Gors. It's deep. Thank you. I love you too. I love all of you. Everything's gonna be all right. Yes, that's right. Everything is going to be all right. All right. So now that you have seen me cry, not like you haven't already before. How many of you have watched me cry buckets on Big Boss? Someone says virtual hugs. Oh, so cute. Thank you. I think it was Vaishali. Yeah, Vaishali. All right. I gotta go. Lots of love. Stay strong. Share some beauty tips. I don't have any beauty tips other than keep your soul beautiful, and no matter what you look like here, you're going to be fine. Look at how puffy I've become because of Ramadan and timing, sleep timings all over, and actually just this is all bloating. It's going to go away. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to be all like after Eid. Okay, I love you. Take care. सब लोग अपना ध्यान रखो. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday, Tazeen. Happy birthday. May you have a beautiful life ahead. Um, yes, and everything will be amazing. 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 Mwah. Bye, guys.